Hey guys, my name is Shaan and today I'm going to be reviewing the 4K Amazon Fire Stick. Taking a look at the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with HDR's box over here, you can see that it comes pre-installed with Alexa built in. What is amazing is you could just talk to it and have Alexa fully do whatever you want in your smart home other than just going ahead and watching YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, whatever you're going to be going ahead and using, like Spotify or any other features that are provided in the Fire TV Stick that I will be showing you in this video. In the box you get a 5-watt power wall adapter over here that you can use to go ahead and plug in your Fire Stick directly into the outlet instead of just your TV. You also get some manuals and just a little bit of advertisement of the Fire TV Stick 4K, just telling you how you can go online and check it. You get 2 AAA batteries over here, what are Amazon Basic, and this is mainly just for your remote, and you can use whatever batteries you want after the fact. You get a nice HDMI extension if you think that you might not be able to plug in the Fire Stick TV behind your TV, as not all TVs have a slot that is just freely available like that. It comes with an extension, what means you don't have to buy your own. It comes with the cable itself, what is a micro USB cable. Once again, you can plug it in to the TV directly if you do go ahead and choose that, or plug it in directly to a wall adapter, and when you do that you have the ability to go ahead and turn on your TV using an Alexa or any Echo device that you have around your house. Next is the actual 4K Fire Stick TV over here, what is very slim and looks amazing. So as you do know, this is the actual 4K Amazon Fire Stick, what means you will be able to play back anything up to 4K resolution if you do have a 4K TV, but in case you don't, it still plays at 1080p, 720 and everything below if you do want to go ahead and use that. Now it also comes with the remote, what is actually very nice. It has a built-in microphone so you can go ahead and talk to Alexa. You can pull out the back to go ahead and access the battery compartment, and it is a pretty sleek remote, pretty minimal just for what you need, and it's very good to get everything done. But like I said, the microphone is very handy. You could just tell Alexa to open up whatever application you want on the TV itself. Now, while I'm going to go ahead and do the setup over here, I will go ahead and tell you the specs of this device. It has 1.5 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, what is quick to have and great just for a little Fire Stick over here that you will be streaming on mainly. And you also have 8 gigabytes of internal storage, what isn't the best if I'm being honest, as that isn't much to go ahead and install enough applications if you want to go ahead and do so. You also have a 1.7 gigahertz quad core CPU, what in my opinion that is amazing for such a little device. You can go ahead and know that you won't have any problems playing back any movies, TV shows while streaming, as this processor is more than capable of playing 4K videos while streaming. It also has a GPU, what is the GE8300 GPU. I've never heard of this GPU, but I'm assuming it's doing some great work if it's able to play 4K. The next thing is that the Amazon Fire Stick TV does support 4K with Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio, what is always great for your needs if you want to go ahead and use that. It also supports HDR10 and HDR10 Plus, what is great especially if you're going to be watching some Netflix, YouTube, or anything that actually does support HDR. You'll get that high dynamic range. Now in terms of Wi-Fi, you have 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi AC, and that is amazing. So you know you'll get the best connection possibly to your own router. If you do have gigabit Ethernet, you know that this will be able to take advantage of this. Even anything above 100 megabits per second, the device will be able to handle it, and overall will turn into better streaming for this device itself. Now one thing I do not like about it is that you actually have to have an Amazon account ready to go ahead and use. You cannot just use it as is and just set it up like that, but then again you just have to create an Amazon account, so it's not really that bad. One thing I do have to say is that the Amazon Fire Stick TV remote does actually go ahead and control your actual TV. You can reset it if you're going to go and use it on other TVs. Also, what is amazing in my opinion is you could go ahead and really use this up to any TV you want, and that is great because not only can it control the volume of your TV, it could turn it on and off and switch around some settings too, what is pretty good for this TV to actually go ahead and do. And it will do it on practically any TV. It will go through the process with you and it will do it automatically. If you want, you can go and do it manually too, like when you have to go ahead and reset it with a different TV. But when I plugged it into a different TV, it already had asked me to go ahead and do it. I just ignored it, but you can go ahead and set it up for yourself also. What is great, as you can always see, it will say change TV on the bottom right over there. What's always great to go ahead and use this remote for not only your Fire Stick but also your TV as an all-in-one remote really. Now, like always, you can go ahead, open up YouTube, watch whatever you want, and it is a lot quicker than our TV over here. And really, if you do have a smart TV, this could be a notable upgrade for you guys too, because not only is it a lot quicker than your normal TV smart features, the Wi-Fi capabilities of this is also pretty amazing. You can watch my videos at 4K, although TVs can do this. This just plays it a lot more quicker than most TVs can, and is just a pretty great upgrade if you're asking myself over here. Now, the TV I am using on here was a 1080p TV, so you could see it maxed out at 1080, but if we switch it over to our 4K TV, it would have said 4K. As always, you do have a 1080p Amazon Fire Stick if you don't have a 4K TV, but it's always great to pick up the 4K just in case you ever plan on upgrading in the future, or already do have a 4K TV and you never know if you might have to change it at any time to that 4K TV. Like I said, it's always a great upgrade to have just in case. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Follow my social media, and as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.